Hey guys, Jacob Wright from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. Today, I want to walk you through my newest brokerage listing that I have. This is a 2007 Sea Ray 290 Amberjack. As you can see, it is a very luxury cruising style boat, but it does have some fishing features that I'll show you later on when we hop up inside. This is powered by twin 350 horsepower engines. It does have a nice canvas bimini top with a radar on top of that. Again, that's the fishing features that I'll touch on in a few minutes. Let's hop up inside so I can show you some more. All right guys, now that we're up here in the boat, like I mentioned earlier, this is a combination between luxury cruising and a fishing boat. Right here, you can see that the customer opted to go ahead and put the measuring ruler. He put this here because, believe it or not, this is a fish box. It could be used as double storage if you decide not to go fishing that trip, but when you're out and about and you decide to cast a couple lines in the water when you're cruising with the family, you do have a place to keep your fish. There is also a very open back deck area that this seat that I'm sitting on is a flip under seat, so it opens up the platform for a much bigger fishing platform. Here sitting in front of me, there is a live well on the left-hand side as well as a pressure faucet on the right-hand side for a little sink. You do have excellent seating for the passengers or the wife or the kids who are not fishing and just want to enjoy the time on the water. Again, I touched on this is a combination boat of luxury and fishing. This arch that we have here is paired with rod holders, and again, you can get a very good look at that Raymarine radar. The Raymarine radar is going to help tremendously when you're having overnight cruises to be able to see where you're going. Let's hop up a little bit farther forward and I'll show you some more. And now that I'm sitting here at the captain's seat, just notice how big of a captain's area that you do have. When you're sitting here, you have full control of all of the boat. You have a plenty wide enough seat to where you can shift side to side. This is a flip up bolster seat as well, so if you decide to stand rather than sit, you do have a nice backrest to lean into and kind of push your weight into. This one has a Raymarine GPS navigation system paired with the Raymarine radar that you noticed earlier, as well as the Mercury vessel view. So you're always going to know how your engines are performing, your gas levels, heating levels, etc. Now that we've talked a lot about on the deck, on the fishing side, let's go take a look at the luxury side down in the cabin. And now that we're down into the cabin, this is where you're going to be whenever you're wanting to stay overnight. If the weather's too hot and you just want to get out of the elements, perfect hangout area down here. This cabin is big enough to sleep 4 people. You can squeeze 5 if you need to. There is a mid-berth section right underneath you guys, and there's a little bed section for someone probably about my size, not necessarily normal size. It's a little smaller of an area. This one does have a full enclosed head for you to go to the bathroom. Has a microwave, stove, refrigerator, sink, again stovetop, cabinet storage. Huge size bed for you to sleep on, very comfortable, and a nice little entertaining area. If you notice behind me, here is curtains that you can open up so you can have natural lighting inside. And with the sunroof in front of us, you can just see just how well it does provide natural lighting. Right here behind me, this will be the generator panel switch. Yes, this boat does have a generator, so you can be out and about overnight and still have full power with AC, heater, and be able to power all of your amenities to keep you fed, drinks cold. Again, this is the Sea Ray 290 Amberjack. Excellent combination boat if you're a cruiser and a fisherman and you want to have a boat to be able to accommodate both. This is your boat. If you want to know more about it, please come see me at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. This is Jacob again. Contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you.